This is the MSA 200C battery chainsaw from STIHL. So it comes with the AP range. This chainsaw is 14" with the 3/8 picot chain, and is easy to use chainsaw with the AP battery range. Chain tensioner is here on the chainsaw. Chain oil in here, easy to use, take off, easy to use there, and it automatically feeds onto the chain. The same battery, the AP range on this can be used across hedge trimmers, blowers, trimmers with the AP and the charging system. So easy to use chainsaw. Just put in the battery, click it in, and then press the button to go. This chainsaw can be used as ideal for firewood, and also can be used from domestic reasons as well, for domestic purposes as well.